Welcome back to my channel. It's Illuminati Aj, and I'm back with another one. As promised, I said I would be doing luxury and bargain-friendly unboxings, and today we have our first luxury unboxing, and it is, you know, when you see that green box, Bottega Venetas, okay? Oh, clear on me. Bottega Venetas. Okay, so all the good girls have these or getting these, want these, aspire to have these. If you're not familiar, this is an Italian brand made in Italy. We have this cute green box, really glossy. You know, most of the high-end brands, they are going for like sleek, simple design for their boxes, not too much printy. I got these shoes off of Net-a-Porter. That's how they pronounce it when I call customer service. Like when I make returns, I order from them quite often. Other designer things that I have in my closet. They shipping is amazing, super fast. Like Net-a-Porter, they the truth. Like you want your designer goods, quality, great customer service. Yes, Net-a-Porter. I paid about $930 for the shoes. It's probably more after tax, but they went for like $930. I think that they're worth it, you know. Sometimes you have to treat yourself. Like I said, I mix both. The high end, I get a deal, like, you know. So let's get into it. As you can see, Bottega Veneta. Written on that dust bag, I already told you in the last video what I use dust bags for. Makeup, wigs, miscellaneous things on my trips. Let's keep it real, people. We all do it. So, Bottega Veneta written on the bag. You put one shoe, right foot, left foot. They all come with it. Oh, so these are the things that go in the heels. I don't know what they're called. I guess when you mess up your heel bottom, you put them in. Yeah, well, me, I usually take my shoes, the leather spot, they get a little damaged, and they put these things in them. But I guess I could, well, I can't do it myself, but yeah. Shoe thingies. Okay. Why these look so good? Like, why you look so good? Why you look like that? Or why you look like that? What? Why you look so good? How you look like that? How you look like that? This is a good up shoe. So the heels is about 3.5 centimeters. This is a tie around your ankle, or if you have skinny calves, tied all over your calves. It's a mesh detail. It's called a stretch sandal. They are stretchy. I put my feet in it, and I was like, I probably could have got a smaller size. Size 42, big foot, size 42. Always a size 42. Always get the biggest size. You know, I told you guys I have big feet. I do not like when my feet touch things and hurt or rub and feel weird. So it will always be a size 42. Made in Italy. 50% lambskin, 50% cotton. I mean, none of us is allergic to cotton, I hope. So this should be good for our feet. This gives me good vibes that go with the, if you guys remember my fashion people, or fashionauts, whatever. So you remember the Christian Dior Rasta collab? Imagine the bag with this shoe. So here's the other shoe. Look at the padded bottom though. So I tested these out. I have carpet all through my crib, so I tested these out on the towel. Very comfy. Whatever this rubber thing grip that they got going on down here, this is it. This is it, people. These shoes, I see what the hype is about, you know? Square toe, elongated heel, a leather covered stiletto heel. Okay, leather covered stiletto heel. I guess that's where the $500 of the $900 or something went to. The leather on this heel. Like the logo is even embossed on the lambskin. This is lambskin also, people. So maybe this is where also the $900 and something came from. All this damn lambskin all over the shoe, leather heel, cotton mesh. I even think that this is made out of lambskin. Like the lace around, tie around yourself, tie around your ankle, tie around your neck type of shoe. It's this bottom though for me. Like the comfort level, when you put these on, amazing. That's why the shoes equaled up to $930 damn. So, would I buy again? Yes, I will. Because I have a very hard time finding comfortable shoes, and this, innovative. This is the shit I like. So I know Fashion Nova and all those other little brands, they're gonna make those fake ones and all of that. But I'm putting this out there from now. I got the real Bottega Venetas, size 42, and you guys should buy. Get your Bottega Venetas. Should I try them on camera so you can see? What shoes? What sheets? What potted? What sheets? What shoes? Boy, hold on, get it. You remember when they used to put their feet up? Back in the day for the red bottoms? Yeah. Padded soles. Bottega Veneta. Not $100 on my feet. Eyebrows on feet, you know? So, it's the detail. It's the details for me. It's that square toe for me. Because you gotta suck in your stomach. It's the square toe for me. For me. Okay. Let me know what you think. This time I do not have no coupon code. There was no way to save on these. I mean, full price, luxury. The sandals are available on Essence also. They are available on Nordstrom.com. They are sold out on Net-a-Porter, and they are available on Bottega Veneta original site. Certain sizes on all. They come in a red, well, they call it tomato. They come in, they are no longer on the Net-a-Porter website. I guess they sold out. These are pretty popular, like I said. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend. These are a great summer sandal. Pair it up with a dress, pair it up with a skirt, pair it up with some shorts. This new square toe trend, really fire. Like, I thought it would look dumb. I thought my foot would look like a Pop-Tart, but my foot doesn't look like a Pop-Tart. Like, I thought my foot would look like a platypus foot, but my foot don't look like a platypus foot. Like, everything is perfect. If you have any questions or concerns, you can inbox me on Instagram. You can comment below. I can elaborate more for you about the shoes. I told you Essence, Net-a-Porter, sold out Nordstrom. You know, all the high-end Neiman Marcus, they have them also. Everything's not going to be perfect, and every day you're not going to save. But this is an investment because this is a great shoe. This is a staple. I'm going to put these on and everybody's going to look at my feet and say, what are those? In a good way. You always want people to look at your feet and say, what are those? In a good way. Hello? Yeah. Is a bad bitch calling? Uh-huh. What's those on your feet? Bottega Veneta Stretch Sandal. So, at the end of this video, I'll probably post some pictures or videos of me in the shoes. I don't really know. It all depends if my outfit come out right. My hair looks good. I'm vain like that sometimes, yes. So, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Illuminati Aj. I will be bringing the luxury. I will be bringing the budget friendly. I will be bringing the goods, the honest truth to all my bargain baddies out there. Today wasn't a bargain baddie special, but hey, I told you guys, I'm being fair. Half and half, okay?